A frightening and confusing situation at the Walter Reed National Military Medical Center in Bethesda yesterday after reports came in about an active shooter on campus.
There's been so many mass shootings now that you have to take them seriously when there is a report of one. And Congressman Dutch Ruppersberger was at the medical center during that alert yesterday. He wants some answers. WMAR 2 News' Megan Knight is following the story from the newsroom. Megan, Congressman Ruppersberger was very quick to react after the all clear was given.
Yeah, that's right, Christian. So he was giving updates from the moment he was told to shelter in place until he was given the all clear. Congressman Dutch Ruppersberger tweeting that if it was an active shooter drill, well, certainly no one told him or anyone that he was with. He went on to say that people were scared and upset, and drills are important, but training exercises must be properly communicated. So what exactly happened yesterday? Well, here's a timeline of how things unfolded. Around 2 o'clock is when that alert went out about a possible active shooter at Walter Reed. Everything went on lockdown. Then around 3:30, the U.S. Navy tweeted it was not an active shooter, it was just a drill. Well, then Naval Support Activity Bethesda tweeted about a half hour later saying it was actually just a false alarm, not a drill. Finally, at 6 o'clock, the Navy said that it was an improper use of a mass notification system, that the alert accidentally went out while they were preparing for an upcoming drill. Of course, that alert certainly did not contain the words drill or exercise. Ruppersberger says that he is going to be following up with this to determine what went wrong and how to avoid something like this in the future.